I know, sometimes learning a new language can be a challenge, but you got this. So here I'm going to tell you some tips. First tip, don't carry your dictionary around. It's a little bit heavy. Try to explain what you want with other words. Use other words to explain your idea, point, and try to learn new words. Another tip is that you can train at home some answers to common questions. For example, where are you from? How old are you? What do you like to do? These are questions that you can prepare the answer at home. Third tip, always try to choose materials that don't have translations. It's best if you have worksheets, books that are only in English. This will force you go look after the words that you don't understand. And this will make your vocabulary list much bigger. Another tip is to learn expressions and even whole sentences instead of just one word. Sometimes when you learn the whole sentence, you even get the meaning of some words. Last tip, remember, a language is something that you have to work on every day, even if it's just 5 minutes or 10 to look at some vocabulary or listen to a podcast or watch our videos. It's good to take a look at it every day. This one is very important. Now, tell us in the comments which of these tips are you already putting into practice. Don't forget to take your free assessment test through the link that is in our bio. This one is also a tip because this will allow you to know your English level. And when you know what your English level is, you can start improving. This was also a tip. See you soon.